In this video, we're going to solve a nice exponential equation. Now, let's solve 10 to the power of 20 over 20 to the power of 10. So, what are we going to do is 20 can be written as 2 times 10. Yes, so we're going to write it like that. So, this can be written as 10 to the power of 20, and this is 2 times 10 whole to the power of 10. Now we're going to apply this rule, which says if you have something like this, a times b whole to the power of n is equal to, now the power is multiplied to each and every factor, that is a to the power of n times b to the power of n. Now let's write it in that form. So we have 10 to the power of 20 whole to the power of 2 to the power of 10 times 10 to the power of 10. Now, if you see, this 2 to the power of 10 can be written as 1 over 2 to the power of 10, and we can split this 10 to the power of 20 with this one. So we have 10 to the power of 20 over 10 to the power of 10. Now, what can you do? You have to apply this law. Whenever you have a to the power of m over a to the power of n, that's equal to a to the power of, when you have same bases and there's division between them, you subtract the powers, m minus n. This is the law which we are going to apply. So now what are we going to get? 1 over 2 to the power of 10 times 10 to the power of 20 minus 10 is 10. So that's what we get. Now we have something like this, 10 to the power of 10 over 2 to the power of 10. Again, we're going to apply this law now. A to the power of n over b to the power of n. When you have same exponents and different bases, what do? You can just combine them with the same power. So we're going to apply this now. So what's that equal to? We have 10 over 2 whole to the power of 10, and you can simplify. 10 over 2 is 5 to the power of 10 is your answer. Thank you so much for watching. Hope the small problems helps